Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to do 5 different types of eyeliner. This is the basic eyeliner. For this basic eyeliner, I am drawing a line close to my lashes. Not too thick and not too thin. Just a basic line. This is how the basic liner looks like. You can wear it on a daily basis. Next is wing eyeliner. For this I am drawing a wing on the basic eyeliner and joining it to the existing line. This is how the basic wing liner looks like. If you want, you can draw it as bold as you want. Next is simple Arabic eyeliner. For this I am drawing a V on the inner corner and joining it to the waterline. To complete the eyeliner look, I am applying kajal on my waterline. Next is fleek eyeliner. For this I am drawing a wing on my outer corner and joining it to the inner corner. Last is how to draw a bold wing liner. For this I am drawing a line on top of my wing eyeliner and bolding it as much as I want. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye guys.